What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another Bandlab tutorial. You feel me? It's a Gunna one, man. DS4 pushing P, man. Pushing P. What you looking at right now? It's my IG, man. Follow me on IG. You know what I'm saying? Dex plugin, Dex.plugin. Now I'm gonna get y'all super right. You gonna be pushing P. Before we get into the video, I want you to like the video, comment, share, tell your friends, all that, my boy. If you don't share this video, you're not pushing P. If you don't like this video, you're not pushing P. If you don't comment on this video, bro, you're not pushing P. Alright, come on, man. Let's get to the video, though, man. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get right to it. I'm gonna get right to it. Fuck, come on, hurry up. Oh, let me stop catching. But yeah, I'm gonna get right to it. You know, straight up. I got two of them though. This one, this is better. I've been experimenting, my boy. I've been experimenting. Okay. I want y'all to screenshot. Screenshot this. You see that threshold right there? You can lower it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It depends on what's going on in your household and where you're at, you know what I'm saying? You can lower it. Screenshot. You can honestly use any of these, you know what I'm saying? See which one is good for you, my boy. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Screenshots. Hold up. Pause it. Screenshot. Do what you gotta do. You feel me? Screenshot. Filter echo. Screenshots. Alright, screenshot this too. Alright, come on. Boom. Right? Now, I'm gonna show y'all a little beat. It's a Gunna beat, you feel me? It's a Gunna beat, you feel me? Go to YouTube. If you watch my other video, you know how to download this stuff, man. I'm gonna go right here. Boom, go to like videos. You know, so this is a little Gunna beat.
Grab a spa day. Grab a massage. Grab a Groupon experience.
But you know, bro. You know. You know what I'm saying? You add it, whatever. And I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds. I'm not trying to make a banger. I'm just trying to show y'all how it sounds.
A few minutes later.
Alright, y'all boys, look. I'm back. I'm saying, I made this song. You should show y'all how it sounds. I ain't try to make no banger. I was on some Gunna shit, bro. I'm not good at imitating niggas because I've never been no follower. But you feel me? I'm just play this shit and y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all vibe with it and see how y'all like it. Feel me? I'm feeling fantastic. Yeah. Alright, come on now. I like
Just Prince, bitch. Why you do that?
I told her send me a text. I can get her eyes to 6. I cannot see no relax. I put that dick in her back. Now I just call her right back. Daddy want me and my brother, what's up? Don't look while a nigga, I really smoke rats. I came in this bitch, I ain't giving no fuck. Really ain't giving no fuck. Don't run up on me, I ass my dick get slumped. Don't play with a nigga, I keep that big clutch. That kiss shit on a nigga like dumb. That shit on a nigga like dumb. I don't play with them hitting just stuck. You feel all little boy like you motherfucking pump. But got some nigga, I push you to work. I'm pushing the V like I'm pushing the purse. She hop on my dick and she just went berserk. Yeah, she just went berserk. I'm on the wave and I don't even surf. The Glock on my pants on my hand up a skirt. The pistol is glitching, it's jumping like Bert.
Just Prince,
baby,
why you
like
do that?
Yes, sir. Come on, man. Like and subscribe for that, man. Freestyle that shit. You feel me? Like and subscribe for that. Alright. I'll catch y'all with another video. You know what I'm saying? Let me know who y'all want to, you know what I'm saying? I can get Roddy Rich. Y'all want that yay one? Hold up. That yay one though. Just tell me which one y'all want me to do a tutorial on, you feel me? But I'll catch y'all boys, you feel me? Squaw.
He crested in the face. Baby, not a doctor, but need patience. Sorry that I couldn't